Hi, my name is Steve Kunze, and I'm a minister and wedding officiant with Moments in Life Ministries. As a minister, wedding officiant, I love to get out in the community, and one of the biggest requests that I receive is to officiate weddings, and I am very honored to take that request very seriously. I treat every wedding as if it's my own daughter's wedding, and I like to welcome and make couples feel comfortable. First, what I like to do is offer couples we can meet in person, or these days a lot of couples like to just communicate online, either be texting or email, which I'm very happy with, and just want to get couples to feel comfortable. And I'm very easygoing, and what you see is what you get. But I also like to involve couples and put a personal touch on their wedding ceremony. As far as services here at the Bell Tower, I do get numerous requests from couples, mainly for different types of religions or backgrounds, unity ceremonies, and all of those I'm more than happy to accommodate. Bell Tower, it's a lovely facility, obviously, but I think the key is the people that are here, the wedding coordinators. They don't make the couples nervous on their wedding day. They make them feel comfortable, and yet everything goes off without a hitch and goes on time. They also are very organized, and I think that says a lot. And the nice thing with this venue is there's several different venues within it. So depending on the size and the style of the wedding you'd like to have, the Bell Tower can accommodate that. Yeah, the Bell Tower, I think the key is the employees that work here, the wedding coordinators. They make the couples feel welcome, and especially on their wedding day, everything is organized and goes off on time, but they do it in such a way as to never make the couples feel nervous or feel rushed. Having officiated weddings here for almost 2 years, I've never incurred a wedding that has not started on time and has not gone off flawlessly. The Bell Tower on 34th makes it easy.